Hey guys, Luke here. I have another video for you. So today we are going to be testing the sound between an iPhone 7 Plus and a Nexus 7. So what we are going to do is we're going to play Kick the Dust Up by Luke Bryan, and we're going to see how good the audio performs on the 7 Plus and the Nexus 7. So I went online, not to the app, to make this fair. And so this is legit Nexus 7, and then this is another legit iPhone 7 Plus, black 128 gigs. Okay, so we're gonna start on, let's start on Nexus. So let's turn this up. What I don't like about this Nexus is the volume buttons are connected, which to me, I don't like that, but other people, they might. Alright, so Luke Bryan, Keep the Dust Up on the Nexus 7 coming up first.
Kick the dust up.
Ooh. Okay. Now we're going to do an iPhone 7 Plus. Let's get this volume up. Alright. Load.
Kick the dust up.
Woo. You notice that difference? Tell me.
All week long, it's a farming town. They're making that money grow. Tractors, plows with flashing lights, backing up a two-lane road. They take one last lap around. That sun up high goes down.
Even now, the iPhone 7 Plus is just outperforming in volume and everything. So the Nexus 7 is a clear loser, I think. So, yeah, this cannot go very loud. Which the iPhone 7 Plus, the iPhone 7 and 7 Plus both have an epic speaker system. So, yeah, peace out.